How to get Costco digital membership card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about getting your Costco digital membership card. So you can do this through the Costco mobile app and you can access a digital version of your membership card. The app provides the functionality to renew your membership and check your 2% reward balance on your phone. In order to access your digital membership card, you need an active Costco membership and a mobile device with the following operating system. You have to have the Android phones such as Samsung Galaxy, Samsung Note, Google Pixel for the Android operating versions like 10, 11, and 12. And for the Apple iPhones, you have to have the iPhone 12, 11 XR, XS, 2020 SE, and X. For the iOS versions, you have to have 15.x and 14. So please note that the digital card is not compatible with the tablet devices, and to download your digital membership card, you have to get the latest Costco app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then open the app, tap on the card icon at the bottom, and then a login page will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions on the following login page to sign in with your Costco.com account. And if you don't have an account yet, simply go ahead and create one account. Each digital membership card is linked to a specific Costco.com account, and you can't use the same email for multiple cards. Verify your membership, and if it's not done before, you will be guided through the process. And once verified, your digital membership card will be displayed on the screen. So this was all about how to get Costco digital membership card. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.